Hey, if CapCut isn't detecting your GPU, that can really slow down your editing and exports. Don't worry. I'll show you the steps to fix it so CapCut can fully use your graphics card. First, make sure you're using the latest version of CapCut. Older versions may have bugs that prevent the GPU from being detected. Not all GPUs are supported. Make sure your graphics card is compatible. CapCut works with most modern NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel GPUs. Go to Settings, Aero Preferences, Aero GPU, Acceleration, and make sure it's turned on. Sometimes it's just disabled by default. Outdated GPU drivers can prevent detection. Go to your GPU manufacturer's site, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your card. Restart your computer after updating, then reopen CapCut. On laptops, make sure you're using the high-performance GPU, not the integrated one. In NVIDIA or AMD control panels, set CapCut to use the dedicated GPU. So updating CapCut, checking GPU compatibility, enabling GPU acceleration, updating drivers, and assigning the dedicated GPU usually fixes detection issues. After that, your edits and exports should be faster and smoother.